Hello everyone, so today we are going to discuss a very simple question from Leetcode. That is the time needed to buy tickets. So let's get started. Hello everyone, so let's check out the question time needed to buy tickets. So the question is there are n people in the line queuing to buy tickets where the 0th person is at the front of the line and then minus 1st person is at the back of the line. I mean, it's a very simple statement basically. The 0th person is here and up to n minus 1 it goes on and the last person is here, and total how many people are there? There are total n people. I think that's very simple. Now let's move forward. You are given a zero index integer array. Yes, that was clear from the first line itself. And the length is n. Yes, where the number of tickets that the ith person would like to buy is tickets I. Okay, so now what is the saying? Like we have an array. For example, let us take as 2, 3, 4, 5. So what does this signify? That there are 4 people who have to buy ticket. And this 3 signifies that each person have to buy how many tickets? Like the first person will be buying 2 tickets. Second person will be buying 3 tickets. Third will buy 4 tickets and so on. Now, let us read the next part of the question. Each person takes exactly 1 second to buy a ticket. A person can only buy 1 ticket at a time and has to go back to the end of the line, which happens instantaneously in order to buy more tickets. If a person does not have any ticket left to buy, the person will leave the line. Return the time taken for the person at position K, 0 index to finish buying tickets. So, let me explain now what the question says ahead. So, basically, the first person needs to buy 2 tickets, but at one time the person can buy only 1 ticket and he will take 1 second to buy that 1 ticket and then he'll move on the back of the line. So basically this person is standing here, he will buy his 1 ticket, he bought his 1 ticket, he took 1 second of time. Now how many tickets he have to buy? He have to buy 1 more ticket, but at one instant of time he can buy only 1 ticket, so he cannot buy the second ticket right now. So he will go at the back of the line, basically behind 5, and then he'll be standing here. Now it will be this person's turn. Now he will be also buying 1 ticket. So this will go on. Now what we need to find, like if the value of maybe k is 2. So what is the kth position? 0, 1, 2. So this is the kth position. So we want to find out how much time will this person take to buy all the tickets. Basically, we have to count all the time. Basically, he bought the first ticket. Then he will again go to the back of the line. Then he'll buy the second ticket. Then he'll buy fourth. And then he'll buy fourth. Yeah, so basically, he'll be buying 4 tickets altogether. But during that time, this process will be going on. The first person will be buying 1 ticket, then 2 tickets. So 2 seconds will be taken. The second person will be buying 3 tickets. So again, 1, 2, 3 seconds will be taken. So this process will be going on. Now, this person who is behind this one, the kth element. This now let's dry run one of the examples. Okay, let me clear this first. Yeah. So what was the example that we're taking? 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So this is the random example that I have taken. So for example, our kth element was 2, right? 0, 1, 2, 3. So this is our element. Now let's do it one by one. In the first turn, this became 1. So let's keep a time variable. So 1 second is now added here. Now it will be this second person's turn. Then 1 second will be added. Then it will be fourth person's turn. Then again 1 second will be added. Then it will be this person's turn. Again 1 second. Now in the next turn, 0. So 1 second will be added. Now this person's turn, 1 second will be added. Now this person's turn, I'm doing very step by step so that you are able to understand. Now this person's turn, 1. Now what the question says that whenever there is a 0, no time will be calculated and it will just move on. So if it's 0, we will not be adding anything. Now it's 1. So it becomes also 0 and 1 will be added. Now if you remember, this is our kth element, by the way. Now it's becoming 1. So 1 will be added here. It will be becoming 2. Okay. Oh, oops, sorry. It will be 1. Only 1 will be added because 1 second is being taken. Okay. Now again, now these 2 are 0, so nothing will be added. Okay. So this is the final ticket that we need to buy. After that, we do not require to buy any ticket. So if it's there, we'll be adding 1. So let's calculate this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. So roughly I have done. So we have got the time is equal to 12 seconds. So as we can see that the person who wishes to buy tickets lesser than the kth element are consumed completely. 0, 0. So basically if we see, we will need 2, we will need 3. So it would be 2 plus 3. Now we wish to consume even the person with kth element completely. So it will be 4. But as you can see that it is greater than the kth element. So it is not getting consumed completely. Instead, only k minus, only arith k minus 1 part of it is only getting consumed. Like if you can see, 4 minus 1, which is equal to 3. Basically, this much part is getting consumed for this. If it is behind 4, now if you assume if it is here, somewhere here, then because it is coming before the kth element, then array of kth part would be consumed. So basically here it is behind. So 3, 5 plus 7. What is 5 plus 7? Guys, it's 12. I hope it's clear to you now. Like I showed you the whole procedure as well, how we are doing, and the shortcut of doing this thing. So basically, two major points that we got here, that if our position of the element is less than k, right? Basically the positions that are here, then the minimum of this and that position's value is being considered. So if you say that I considered if 5 is here, then what is the minimum of 5 and 4? 4. Then 4 will be considered. And if we are taking maybe this position, then what is the minimum of 3 and 4? 3. So 3 will be considered. That is what I did here. So when it's I is less than k, then minimum of these two positions will be considered. But if it's here, then what will be considered if it's after? If I is greater than k, then minimum of this position, minimum of array of I, comma array of k minus 1, as I showed it here. Because once this will be consumed completely, we will not be going behind it. That's why if it's greater than this element, we will be subtracting 1 and then taking minimum of it. I hope the concept is clear to you. If it's not, you can ask me in the comment section and I will be explaining to you there. Okay, so now let's code our upload first. Okay, so let's first make a variable time and initialize with 0. Now, as you can see, we are running a loop over all the elements of the array. By the way, till the time I'm coding, if you like my solution, do subscribe to my channel. I would love to see my subscriber count increasing, as I'll be increasing the time count in my code. I would love to see my subscriber count also increasing. I mean, hope you do not mind a bit of humor in my speaking. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, so basically we are running this for loop. Now what we discussed, if our element is placed at a position which is lesser than the kth position, then we wish to add to our time the minimum of tickets k, which is the kth element, and the ticket I, which is the ith position on which we are traversing. Now, one thing you should remember, if it's I less than or equal to k, because we even wish to consider the kth position and all the position less than less than k. All the positions basically less than k and the kth position are considered here. Now, all the conditions where I is greater than k. Okay, so we have considered all the conditions less than equal to k. Now, I greater than k will be considered in the else condition. So, we'll not be writing the exact condition here. We'll be just writing else here. Okay, and now we'll be adding time plus equal to minimum of. Now, as I said, minimum of tickets k minus 1, which I already discussed with you while I was explaining the question, and tickets I. The reason I specified you that, why we are subtracting 1, we are subtracting 1 because if like something greater, if this is the kth element, then after doing 2 times, we'll not be going at this person. So this 1 time should be subtracted. So that is the reason why we are taking 1 less. Now at the end, I hope this works well. If I might have done any mistake, I'll try to check, but I think it looks good till now. Let me run this question. I hope it works. Oops, what mistake did I do here? Okay, it's tickets array. Oops, spelling mistake. Now let me run it again. Yeah, it's working fine. Now let me submit this. Oh, yes, it's working. Okay. Thank you so much, everyone, for bearing with me for almost 10 to 12 minutes. But I hope you understood the question. And if you did, do like and subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you.